In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your active status on LinkedIn. If you want a little more privacy or just prefer to browse without signaling that you're online, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where the setting lives and what each option means, so you can choose the level of visibility that feels right for you. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the top left, tap your profile picture to open the main menu. This is where LinkedIn keeps most account and preference controls. From there, scroll down and tap Settings. Think of this as your control center for how your profile and activity appear to others. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Visibility. This area determines who can see your information, activity, and status signals across LinkedIn. Go ahead and tap Visibility, then select Manage Active Status. This is the specific control for whether people can see if you're currently online or recently active. On the Manage Active Status screen, you'll see three choices. The first option lets your entire network see when you're active. That means anyone you're connected with, as well as your broader network in some contexts, can see the green dot or the recently active indicator near your name in messages or on your profile. The second option limits that signal to your direct connections only, which is a more selective circle but still shows your availability to people you've connected with. The last option turns the status off completely, so no one sees when you're online or recently active. To fully turn it off, choose No One. As soon as you select it, the setting updates right away. No extra confirmation needed. Keep in mind, LinkedIn applies this symmetrically. When you hide your own active status, you'll also stop seeing the active status of other people. That way, everyone's experience remains consistent. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Turning off active status doesn't hide your profile, change your posts, or stop you from sending or receiving messages. It simply removes the little signal that shows when you're online or were recently active. You can switch this setting back on at any time by returning to the same place in Settings. And if LinkedIn updates its layout, this control should still be under Visibility. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've turned off your active status on LinkedIn